Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review Urban Forest Premium Leather Wallet. If you want to check it out, I have provided the link in video description. I also tag the product. So when you open it, you can see there is a product information, genuine leather is used and other informations are mentioned here. How to use it and take care of it. So first impression is that you can see a wrapping by Urban Forest, like use of paper for branding purposes. So inside you can see how the wallet looks like. So you can see how thick it is from different angles. So first impression, there is a logo or emblem is here, it is given, and there is a good amount of stitching you can see here, which add to the premium quality of it. So let's open it. Once you open it, there is a coin compartment. You can keep your items, important items inside there, and another zipper compartment, which is very rare in most of the wallets, so you can keep your things without falling down. That is a good thing, I can say. And here you can see credit and debit card slots. So let's open it further. So we can see more compartments in this area. So once I open it, there are two transparent areas. You can put your ID card, photographs and all. That is really pretty cool thing. Then again we open it, then there is one more transparent area and also credit or debit card slots are there. So here you can keep your valuables and all the stuff. So let's see the compartments for the currency. So you can see there are two compartments and inside the clothing is quite premium. I have provided the link in the video description. I'll tag the product so you can check out the price and all. So this is how it looks like overall, and overall it adds to a premium feeling. The dual color is used, green and other like sandal color. So it's a pretty good choice if you want to use for your day-to-day style purposes. So do tell me your thoughts about this wallet, and also if you have any doubt, please comment and do subscribe to the channel for good videos like this for future purposes. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day.